The question is 21 divided by 1/3 times 1/3. So let's write it again, just in the correct format. 21 divided by 1/3 times 1/3. So first, we'll solve the division. We'll give the first priority to division and the second priority to multiplication. Why? Because division and multiplication have the same priority, so we check from left to right. When checking left to right, whichever comes first gets the first priority, and the one that comes second gets the second priority. Here, the first priority is division, so division gets the first priority and multiplication gets the second. Now, when we have a format like this, we change the division to multiplication. So, 21. Multiply, and here it's 1/3, so we'll take the inverse. We'll change the division to multiplication, and whatever number is here, we'll take its inverse. So it becomes 3 by 1. Multiply by 1/3, same thing, multiply by 1/3. Now 3 cancels with 3, so 21 times 1 equals 21. This is the right transfer.